We are live. Hello, fellow Momspirations and everyone, beautiful people in this beautiful world. Live tayo from Victoria, BC. I'm in my little kitchen. Mommy Myra here from Victoria. Yeah, I already mentioned that. And while I'm cooking soup, because I was so inspired by the soup that hubby and I shared when we had our walk the other time. Oops, nahulog. Ano yan? I'll show you. Here. If you're being creative, and I hope this gives you inspiration, especially when you're in a place where it's getting colder. Alam mo yung leftover na rice? Yan. Meron yung leftover rice. And then, I added the chicken broth. And there's lots of onions and carrots and celery. I added corn and green peas and curry. A little bit of curry. And I also add a little bit of turmeric powder. And those little black things there, those are actually parsley. Yeah. So, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Why am I showing this? Because somebody asked me, because I mentioned in one of my Go Lives, because people were curious about what I do. And so they messaged me and they, actually there's a few of them that ask me, what is attraction marketing? Ano ba yung attraction marketing? No, this is like this. Me cooking soup, and maybe some of you would relate, those who will follow me or see me in this video, in this Go Live, they will be curious. What is it that she actually do? Well, yeah, I'm a wife, I'm a mother of 6 grown-up children now. Actually, they're adults now. And I'm a nurse by profession, and I'm also doing this online business. And this online business is attraction marketing. So, you would ask me, so magbebenta ka ba? No, we're not selling. We have a system that does the selling for us. So, what we're actually doing is, we do this. We showcase our lifestyle. Yan. Lifestyle na, of course, it's imperfect, hindi scripted, hindi siya naka-stage. Siyempre, we're just showing our authentic self. Just like me, pinapakita ko lang kung ano yung ginagawa ko every day, my interest, the things that I like to do. Sometimes you would see me walking and I would go live and I'll talk about gratitude. And so when I'm doing gratitude walk, which is basically nag-enjoy ka ng paglalakad, and then you're enumerating the things that you're grateful for. So that is one way of showing authenticity. Maybe some days you'll see me doing short Go Live in a grocery store, because of course we all have to eat and we all have to buy our groceries, diba? Or pamamalengke. So that is that. Uy, kumukulo na. So yeah, attraction marketing is like that, just like what we're doing. And dahil dito, sabi ko nga, the people get curious and then they ask me what I do, and then they join the business if they're interested. Of course, hindi mo naman sila kagad walang pressure. There's no pressure to join the business, because they have to check it out too, of course. That's why we asked them to watch the webinar. And the webinar, ayan, tapos na yung aking chicken soup. Look at this. Para siyang, it has a little bit of, ay, mainit. Ay, masarap. Malapit na dun sa, look at this. Ang aking soup. Oh. Balik natin. Yeah. So, pag na-curious yung mga tao. They will ask me what I do. Then I ask them to sign into my website so that they can watch the free webinar. And they can trial it actually. They can see the ins and outs of the business. They can talk to me. And meanwhile, I ask them to follow my page. Once you already are interested and they ask me, bakit sabi magbayad ng $149? Yes, there's a $149 if you want to go have a deep dive into the business. But the webinar is free. Doon ka magre-register if you wanna pay the $149. It's completely refundable. And then, if you don't like to go ahead with the strategy call with the coach, that is refundable within 30 days. So, have a feel for yourself and see. And then, once you do that, you pay the $149, you will be a part of this VIP Facebook community of online business owners. Makikita mo yung iba-ibang tao and you never know, baka may kakilala ka pa doon. So, yeah. So, yun ang attraction marketing. Itong basically, this is what I do. And then you'll wonder, bakit kailangang mga regular na tao ang gumagawa ng business na to? Ito, quick analogy. Ang malalaking companies, nagbabayad sila ng mga celebrities. Malaki ang bayad sa celebrities if they have to appear in commercials or if they do the advertising for them. Ngayon, this company that we are affiliated with, yung kasi nga affiliate marketing or attraction marketing, ang ginagawa nila, regular people like you and me, moms, stay-at-home moms, working moms, or people of any industry. Once I start the business, sila na yung bibigyan ng commission ng company instead of paying big bucks to the celebrities that you don't actually know if they're using the product, right? So check it out, and I will see you in the inside should you decide to join the business. Meanwhile, ayan kain tayo. It's a beautiful soup. Masarap yung little bit of the curry taste and the turmeric. You taste the chicken, the vegetables, tapos my rice. Sarap. Okay, bye-bye for now. I'll see you again.